नाजरीन, आइए हम आपको पाकिस्तान की पहली पंजाबी फिल्म का ट्रेलर दिखाते हैं जो अंग्रेजी जबान में तैयार की गई है। आने वाले जमानों के लिए संग-ए-मील साबित होने वाला शाहकार, जिसके तमाम अदाकारों ने अंग्रेज माहिरीन की जेर निगरानी 6 माह का एक खुसूसी तरबियती कोर्स मुकम्मल किया। पेंडू प्रोडक्शंस की रंगीन अंग्रेजी फिल्म बशीरा इन ट्रबल।
Touch me not, Bashira.
Oh, Sharia! Tell me about my runaway!
Suppose I don't tell you, then?
Oh, where you don't call your death, so Kavada!
रोमांस।
Birds and passengers, oh, birds and passengers.
Rano,
What way?
listen, Rano.
Way, what way?
I promise you, Rano, I will come back soon, Rano.
Panchi te pardesi. I mean, birds and passengers are never back. You are a great liar. I don't believe you.
Keep speaking, Rano. Just you shut up.
Way, tu up, shut up, way.
ड्रामा।
Dear boy, shall I start the nikah? Yes, you may. Stop it, Qazi Saab. Mr. Chaudhary, what happened? This marriage is not possible. The judge will go back.
Stop! Landlord said, for God's sake, look at my pug. My prestige is under your feet. Don't kick it. Don't kick it.
Shut up, boy! Come with me! Steady! Steady! Steady!
Unforgettable melodies।
But no princess is very sad way. Give your